How to fix your rounded shoulders with exercises and massage. Hi, I'm Michael Greenspan, Neuromuscular Therapist of 30 years and owner of Massage Revolution's Back and Neck Relief Center in Manhattan Beach. Many of you are at home working at your computer struggling with rounded shoulders locked forward, hinged forward, so tight you can't get them back at the end of your day, right? A lot of us have this challenge, and sometimes people think they should put a postural brace on to fix it and just pull it back. I'm here to tell you the two best ways to fix your rounded shoulders while working at home to get rid of that stiff neck, headaches behind your eye, back of your head, pain down your arm, pain in the upper back, mid back, lower back, any type of headache, stiff neck type of aches and pains. Number one, doing the proper, correct postural alignment exercises. Number two, releasing your muscles in the most appropriate, effective way, whether it's self-treating it by yourself at home or going to a highly qualified neuromuscular trigger point therapist like our team in Manhattan Beach. So number one, postural alignment exercises. We all have a natural blueprint where we're lined up. We were born with good alignment. Look at most kids, look at most babies. Especially as they get older, look at kids. They have really good alignment. They're very functional. It's not until we get to our computer, right, and other types of posturally distorted positions, yet these days it's really the computer that it throws off your alignment, causing you to have rounded shoulders. So how do you unhinge your shoulders, and how do you get them to come back on a daily basis and bring you back home to your natural design and blueprint that you were born to have, with your ears, shoulders, and hips lined up above each other instead of everything rounding and pulling forward? How do you do that? Well, one of the most important things is doing the correct, proper positioning of your postural alignment exercises, where you're firing and engaging, especially the posterior or back of your body chain, which are the muscles that tend to get weak and overstretched as you're sitting here rounding forward. So when I say the proper position, that's so important. So you see, the position you're in is also an exercise. Let that sink in. The position you're in is also an exercise. The position that you do your exercise is reinforcing that specific postural alignment. So if you're bent over strengthening your lats, doing dumbbell rows, you're reinforcing a bent over position. Do you want to do that? Is that ideal? No. Do we want to reinforce a posturally distorted position? I don't think so. So if postural distortion is the root cause of the pain and the rounded shoulders, that means you got to do posturally correct or posturally aligned exercises that work with our natural design and blueprint. I show a bunch of ways to do this on the website, also on the YouTube channel. If you have any questions, email me. But what that means is the correct position and the correct exercise while you're in the correct position where you're firing the right muscles. Number two is releasing the short, tight muscles. Now that's the opposite of strengthening and firing the weak ones. So it's releasing the short, tight muscles that are in the front of your body. Your pec major, your pec minor, your anterior delts, your rotator cuff muscles, or some of them. And it's self-treating these muscles to release them at home, bringing you back into muscle balance, or it's going to a highly qualified neuromuscular trigger point therapist such as our team in Manhattan Beach. Yet self-treating them at home right now is your best bet. Releasing these muscles very detailed, very specific, and very targeted. There's great techniques again on the website. There's great techniques in the YouTube channel. If you have any questions, again, my email is in the description below and you can ask. So both of these techniques are your two best methods to fix your round shoulders with exercises and massage. Why? Because at the root cause of your postural distortion and your pain in your head, down your arm, mid back, low back, are muscle imbalances. Muscle imbalances. And how do you fix muscle imbalances? Well, these two methods are achieving the same goal in two different ways. One is putting you in balance by releasing short, tight muscles. One is putting you in balance by firing or engaging the correct postural muscles, both achieving muscle balance to bring you back into good alignment, unhinge your shoulders, putting you back into your natural blueprint and design, and also releasing the trigger points that are at the source and the cause of your aches and pains. So I hope that helps. I'm always here to help. I do telephone consults as well to guide you and show you the correct postural muscles for your specific alignment. They're not always the same exercises because one person's alignment is different from another person's alignment, which means we should not all be doing the same postural alignment exercises. One person may have hips that swing forward. One person, you maybe, may have hips that swing back. So they have to be unique, specific postural exercises to your body, and you really do need somebody to show you these exercises, although there's a lot of great basic ones you can do to get lasting relief on your own that are more generic to everybody's posture. So go through the other videos, go through the website and see, and if you need any help, email me and let me know. In the description is my email. Good luck, and I hope all of you get tons of lasting relief.